Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add story highlight on Facebook. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Facebook application, and first of all we have to go to our Facebook profile. So we can click on these three lines to open the Facebook menu, and we can click on see your profile. And after we have our Facebook profile opened, we can click on these three dots, and here we're going to click on the archive and select the story archive, and these are my story archive. Then we have to select one of the story or maybe two stories that we want to put on the highlights. And for example, I'm gonna go with the story. We can click on it, then we just need to click on highlight, and here you can create new highlight, or you can add the story to the existing highlight. And for instance, I'm going to add new highlight. I'm going to name it for example, view. Okay, and after we're done, we just need to save this highlight. And now it's done, and I'm going to check it on my Facebook profile. I'm going to go back, and then we can click on this about, and this is the story highlight I have just added to my Facebook profile. Alright guys, and that's how we can add story highlight on a Facebook. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.